Hey guys, welcome back to a new video, and in this tutorial we're gonna learn how you can find trending filters over on Instagram. So the process is going to be very simple. Just watch the video till the end and make sure to follow all the steps properly. First of all, head to your Instagram. After that, once you're at the dashboard of Instagram, now you're gonna go and swipe to the right until you see your camera, and in the story you will find these filters. So just swipe to the left to change the filters. So in order to find the trending filters on Instagram, you're gonna go at the very end, and here you will find browse effects. So just simply click on browse effects, and here we go. You can see there is a trending tab where you can find all the trending filters of Instagram. So these all are basically the filters which are currently on the trending over on Instagram. So this is how you can find the trending filters on Instagram. So all for today's video guys, make sure to give this a huge thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Thank you so much for watching.